Imagine this. You're lounging on your couch, scrolling through your phone, when suddenly an idea strikes you like a bolt of lightning. You've come up with the perfect solution to a problem that's been bothering people for years. Excited, you start sketching out your thoughts, picturing the product in your mind's eye. But then reality sets in. How do you actually turn this idea into a real, tangible product that people will love? That's where the process of product development comes in. It's the journey that takes an idea from just a fleeting thought to a fully realized, market-ready product. And let me tell you, it's a journey that's far from straightforward. Just think about some of the most iconic products we use every day. The smartphone in your pocket, the sleek laptop you're watching this video on, even the comfy couch you're sitting on. Each of these products went through a rigorous development process, full of twists, turns, and unexpected challenges. Like that time James Dyson, the inventor of the revolutionary bagless vacuum cleaner, famously created 5,127 prototypes before landing on the final design. Can you imagine the perseverance and dedication that took? The point is, product development is no walk in the park. It's a complex, multifaceted process that requires equal parts creativity, problem solving, and good old-fashioned hard work. So in today's video, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore the 5 key phases that every successful product goes through on its journey from idea to reality. The journey begins with the spark of an idea. In this phase, product development teams engage in brainstorming sessions, analyze current trends, and identify opportunities to create something new or improve upon existing products. It's a stage where creativity and innovation take center stage. During this phase, every idea is fair game. Teams will cast their nets wide, jotting down every possibility, no matter how far-fetched it may seem at first, because you never know when that crazy notion could be the seed of the next game-changing product. Not every idea is destined for success. The screening phase acts as a filter, separating the viable ideas from those that may not be feasible or profitable. This is where the product managers really roll up their sleeves and get to work. They'll conduct exhaustive research into things like market potential, production costs, intellectual property conflicts, and the competitive landscape. The screening process might seem a bit harsh, killing off idea after idea, but it's absolutely critical for ensuring that the product development team doesn't waste time and resources going down fruitless paths. Only the strongest ideas will survive this gauntlet and progress to the next phase. Once an idea has passed the screening phase, it's time to flesh it out into a tangible concept. This phase involves conducting market research, analyzing potential costs and revenues, and gathering feedback from focus groups. It's during this stage that the product's features, design, and target audience are defined. All right, we've made it to phase 4, the roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty stage of actually building the product. This is where the real magic happens, folks. The core of this phase is prototyping, taking that fleshed out concept from phase 3 and turning it into a physical working model. And let me tell you, even with all the planning and research, this part is never easy. Teams will cycle through iteration after iteration, crafting rough prototypes, testing them out, identifying flaws and areas for improvement, then going back to the drawing board. It's a constant refinement process guided by user feedback, quality assurance, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. This phase is also where all the moving pieces really start coming together. The engineers are refining the technology, the designers are fine-tuning the look and feel, the manufacturing team is working out the production logistics. It's an intricate dance of collaboration across multiple disciplines. When it's finally time to lock in the final product design, you can bet there's a huge sigh of relief. But the journey isn't over quite yet. You've made it through the valleys of the development process. Now it's time to climb the mountain of actually launching your product out into the world. Exciting? Absolutely. Nerve-wracking? You bet. This phase covers all the go-to-market activities like test marketing, press releases, pricing strategies, partner incentives, the whole 9 yards. It's where the real products start hitting shelves and landing in customers' hands. First up is usually some test marketing, launching the product in a limited rollout to get real-world feedback from consumers before going full throttle. Smart teams will analyze this data and make any necessary tweaks to things like pricing, messaging, or even core features. From there, it's time to really turn on the hype machine with press releases, influencer campaigns, you name it. The goal is to build massive buzz and anticipation for your rockstar product's debut on the big stage. Pricing and go-to-market strategies are also key here. Maybe you start with limited availability or a discounted launch price to spark initial demand. Or maybe you go big with bundled deals and partner incentives to get all your sales channels motivated. No matter the approach, it's a delicate balance of strategic marketing and genuine product excellence, because at the end of the day, no amount of hype can save a subpar product. If all goes well in this final phase, you've got a full-fledged hit on your hands. All that hard work, perseverance, and creativity finally paying off in the ultimate way. There you have it, folks, the 5 key phases of product development that every successful product goes through. From the initial spark of an idea to the final rollout and commercialization, each phase plays a vital role in shaping the products we know and love. Remember, product development is a complex and iterative process that requires collaboration, creativity, and a deep understanding of your customer needs. So the next time you pick up a product, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has undergone to reach your hands. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with product development in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.